And hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a real estate promo in Filmora 10. So firstly what you want to do is go to Elements Envato and find some good looking footage from luxury homes just like the one on the screen, and find a cool music to go along with the real estate promo that we are going to be creating. If you're a full-time video editor, I highly recommend you getting a subscription on Envato. Firstly, what we want to do is drag our audio to the timeline, and we need to listen as the beats go. We need to create the video flow along with the song. So let's first find some beats that we want to create our cuts. Okay, I want to crop the video here, and we're going to create a speed bump right here for this until here. Click on the middle footage, go to speed and duration, just type a number, and like this you can move it around and make it as long as you like it. I'm going to crop the video here, and this is our second video. I don't like the speed of this video, that's why I'm going to delete it. Go to media and let's find another video that's a little bit fast. So this is not fast enough, we're going to speed it up to X. Here we have a good bit to make a speed run, so let's do that. Let's add the third footage. Okay, I'm going to be creating the real estate promo until here. Don't want to make it too long. I'm just showing you ideas how you can create a real estate promo, but these are really fast ways. When you're creating a real estate promo, you need to take your time on the project, don't rush it. Find other effects on Envato. It's a big marketplace, you can find a lot of stock footage there. Let's now review what we have created and suspect where in the video should we add more effects to make it look more cool. And after that we are going to be moving to the final segment of the tutorial, and that's adding the text. Where and how to add the text in a real estate promo, so the buyers, the clients that are looking at this promo have the eye on the text, and as well keep them focused on the video. Okay, so here we can add this effect, add the color strobe, and I've got the color strobes from Envato as well. I'm going to turn the blending mode to screen. If I find exactly from which author on Envato I downloaded the color strobes, I'm going to put it in the description, but honestly I lost the author that I've got the color strobes. But if you type in on Envato color strobes in the search bar, I'm sure that you will find them. So let's make it BNB film, and let's see how that looks now. Okay, we can add a glitch transition. I as well got these transitions from Envato. You can just type in the search bar glitch transitions, and they will come up to you. Okay, I think that this looks good enough for tutorial purposes, and I will mention again that if you're doing a real estate promo, make sure you put in a lot of time and a lot of effort to get a really modern and cool looking final product. The next step from here will be adding the titles, and this is really important. What you want to do is find a good font. For example, for this tutorial I'm going to be using just the regular Arial Negretta font. What you want to do is remove the animation, and let's say that in the beginning of the video you want to say, are you looking for, let's add another text here. Let's remove the text border, remove the text shadow, create the shape green, color green, so it looks modern and cool. And we want our text to say, are you looking for a new home in New York? This is just an example, but you can go along like this, put it right beneath this text. Let's make this text a little bit smaller. So this is our first text. The first text when creating a real estate promo is you need to create a problem, and after that text, so it's easier to sell, and after that text, let's say this text goes until the 3rd second, and after that you're going to type down the solution for the problem. For example, well, no worries, or we can say, for example, our professionals in real estate company name got you. For example, you need to be more professional, but this is just for tutorial purposes. I just want to show you how are ads created. You need to first create a problem, and later on in the video you need to solve that problem. And that's that for here. Just make the text smaller so they look more professional. I'm not going to do that now for the tutorial. And the next step from here, what you want to do is put the most important text after you solve the problem. At the end, make sure to put all of your contact info, your website name and everything to show how clients or buyers can find you. Make sure that it's all good, clean, modern looking video. And that will be that for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'm seeing that you got that 94% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the like button, and let's see what we have created today.